am Satish Kumar, working as Associate Professor in Marine Engineering Department of Ahmed University. We will discuss about liquefied natural gas. So, fuel is a material that carries energy in chemical form. Fuels can be in solid state, liquid state, or gaseous state, used to power various vehicles and systems. The liquefied natural gas, which is so called as LNG, is a form of natural gas that has been cooled to liquid state for ease of storage and transportation. LNG as a fuel is gaining popularity due to its clear burning properties and potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Alternative fuels, LNG is a source. The sources of LNG are natural gas fields. The primary source of LNG is natural gas extracted from geological deposits. These deposits can be found in various locations around the world, including onshore fields, offshore platforms, and deep water reservoir. Associated gas. This is natural gas found alongside crude oil deposits in oil fields. Often this gas is flared or vented during oil extraction, but can be captured and processed into LNG. Non-associated gas. This natural gas found in standalone gas fields not associated with oil production. Non-associated gas fields are often the primary source for LNG production. Shale gas. Extracted from shale formations through hydraulic fracking, shale gas has become an important source of natural gas in recent years. Shale gas can be processed into LNG. Coal bed methane, which is called as CBM, methane extracted from coal seams, can also be used as source of natural gas for LNG production. CBM is often found in coal mining regions. The advantages of liquefied natural gas: it burns cleaner than traditional marine fuel. It produces significantly fewer sulfur oxides, which is called SOx, and nitrogen oxide, NOx, and particulate matters, which helps ships comply with stringent emission regulations such as those set by the IMO, International Maritime Organizations. Additionally, LNG's CO2 emissions are lower than those of conventional marine fuel. Energy density. The LNG has higher energy density than many alternative fuels except for oil-based fuel. This allows ships to achieve longer ranges compared to fuels like methanol or ethanol, which can be advantageous for long-haul rates. Existing infrastructure. So the advantage is the existing infrastructure is sufficient while still development is going on. The infrastructure for LNG bunkering is expanding. Many major ports now offer LNG bunker services, and existing natural gas infrastructure can be adapted for LNG distribution. The safety parts also has to be taken care, like when liquefied natural gas is stored and transported at very low temperatures, even at minus 162 degrees centigrade in its liquid form, reducing its volume and making it easier to store on board. It is also less prone to accidental ignition compared to more volatile fuels. The regulatory compliances, it helps ships meet international regulations aimed at reducing emissions such as IMO's sulfur cap and NOx reduction requirements. Infrastructure and costs. Although infrastructure is going, LNG bunkering facilities are still limited compared to conventional marine fuels. Building and maintaining LNG bunkering infrastructure can be costly. Additionally, the infrastructure for LNG supply and storage in ports and on ships needs further development. Storage and handling. LNG requires cryogenic storage tanks on board, which are more complex and expensive than traditional fuel tanks. These tanks need to be well insulated and designed to handle the extremely low temperatures of LNG. Methane slip. While LNG significantly reduces CO2 emissions compared to traditional marine fuels, methane slip, unburned methane released during combustion, can still be a concern. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas, and controlling methane emission is essential for environmental benefits of LNG to be fully realized. So, cold weather performance. LNG storage temperature requirements can present challenges in very cold environment. Ensuring the integrity of storage system and preventing boil of evaporation of LNG in such conditions require careful management. Environmental impact of production. The environmental benefits of LNG are somewhat dependent on how it is produced. If natural gas extraction and processing involve significant methane leakage or environmental impacts, these could offset some of the advantages of using LNG as marine fuel. Look at some of the key players and their plans regarding marine alternate fuels. MSC, the Mediterranean Shipping Company, has been testing various alternative fuels, including LNG. MSC has committed to use of the LNG for its new builds, and they are also exploring other alternative fuels. MSC goal is to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. Even NYK Line has started using LNG as marine fuel. NYK Line is also investing in research into LNG as future fuels, which with the aim of achieving a zero emission fleet by 2050. V-Ships is adopting alternative fuels like LNG to reduce emissions and meet IMO regulations. LNG has gained popularity and in new builds. The key trends and future direction. LNG, many companies are using LNG as traditional and transitional fuel due to its lower emission compared to conventional marine fuels. It serves as a stepping stone towards more sustainable option. The maritime industry is in a state of transition, with major shipping companies investing in a diverse array of alternative fuels to achieve greater environmental sustainability and regulatory compliance. Each company's approach reflects its strategic priorities and evolving landscape of marine fuel technologies. Thank you.